And Governor Kathy Hochul says the goal is to give young users a moment to pause and think about how social media might affect their mental health. Scrolling, autoplay, algorithm-driven feeds. Features designed to keep users engaged and some say hooked. University at Buffalo professor and director of Alberti Center for Bullying Abuse Prevention, Amanda Nickerson, says that those design choices are causing a youth mental health crisis.
I think some of those features are designed with addiction in mind. So it is, what is the thing that is going to keep our youth on social media for as long as possible?
Under the newly signed law, social media platforms that use those features must display warning labels for young users. They appear when a user first encounters the feature and again after continued use. Supporters compare the move to warning labels already required on tobacco, alcohol, and certain food products, calling it a public health step, not a ban.
The research on warning labels in general shows that they can be effective in raising awareness about an issue, but the likelihood of actually changing behavior is going to be a lot harder.
Some experts argue education may be just as important as regulation.
Doing more explicit teaching of digital citizenship skills, they have curriculum out there. We're actually doing this in a local school where we're actually teaching people more about healthy balance and when to notice when there's an issue and how to actually detect when there's an algorithm, and privacy settings, where we're actually giving people more of the skills that they need instead of just a pop-up message that they could ignore.
The law applies only to platforms using what the state defines as addictive design features, and there is no penalty for users. On your side in the newsroom tonight, I'm Alexandra Rios-Malvia, Channel 2 News.